Welcome to the new segment of the grade 9th. We are discussing about the economics third chapter, that is poverty as a challenge. Yes, so we are discussed about poverty and as well as some few examples we are discussed and who are the below the poverty line. So for to calculation about the who are the belongings to the poverty line, that is on the basis of the survey, that is National Sample Survey Organization, NSSO. On that basis they are calculating the who are will be under a poverty line, that is a main basis of the income as well as the whatever the food they are the having, that is based on the calories. Okay, so now today the new topic, that is poverty estimates. So estimation means what? Estimation means the rough calculation about the thing, or the maybe it is a thing, or the maybe it is now poverty we are discussing about the poverty, that is a rough calculation basis on the poverty. Yes, so here one small table they are given in your textbook, that is on the survey of 2017 and 18. Here they are given some columns to understand about these estimates of poverty in India. On a year that is 1993 to 2012, they are given here, that is poverty ratio and the number of poor in the rural areas and urban areas. So here when we see the when we observe this table, the calculation of poor or the poverty who are under that poverty line, they are day by day in a rural areas and in a urban areas. See the differentiation in the rural areas and urban areas. As per the 1993 to 1994, that is 37.2 percentage in 2004 and 2005, that is people below a poverty line. When we see that they are came down about 22% in 2011 and 2012. So why? Because here the percentage it is came down because of the living as well as the earning of the income, it will be increased. Next it is a few years when we see that, that is 20 percentage in next few years. When we see this calculation, that is the number of the poor declined from a 407 million in 2004 and 5. 2004 and 5 to 270 million in 2011 and 12. And this average annual decline, that is 2.2 percentage points, and during of 2004 and 5. It will be when we see these calculation, we can understand every time it will be came down that poverty line because of the living level as well as earning the income of these people has little increased when we see this survey of table 3.1. For reference, you can refer a 9th grade economics textbook. Thank you.